Yarana my friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the bands from your joints roller gun. So here we have the cart. I already take everything apart and I put all my new bands on top of the gun. So number one, 19 millimeters, thicker than the others. Number two, 16 millimeters. Then number three, we have a circular 16 millimeters. And then the fourth one, again, 60 millimeters. You will make the difference between the second and the fourth by the length of the wishbone behind. So here we go. They are going to fit the cart from 1 to 4, hitting on the central, and then the more you put, the wider you go. A little quick look at our tools. So I have a 2.5 millimeter Allen keys, my titanium spacers, M4 screw metric, and these titanium nuts that you can find on the kit that I sell on my website. So here we go. First thing I gotta do, I am going to fit all these spacers into the loops of my bands. I'm gonna do that on the first all the way to the fourth set of band. Now I might want to speed up a little bit the process, so just take a look how it's done. Very easy. Okay guys, so now it's done. And what am I gonna do is to take the cart and make sure that all the lines are properly fitted. So what I'm gonna do is to start with the central, and I'm gonna slide my spacer in between the two carbon plates. I'm gonna pick one of the two central holes, put the screw in through the spacer, and I'm gonna get one of my titanium nuts. With one finger I'm going to secure it, and with the other hand I'm gonna tighten up just a little bit. We do not want to create too much pressure now, because we still need a little bit of a gap to slide our spacers in between the carbon plates of the truck. So here again, it's very similar, the process. We're gonna get all the couples of bands, and I'm going to fix them. So I'm gonna speed up again a little bit the process. It's very easy. Remember not to tie too much. We're gonna tie everything at the end. And here we go, it's all finished. So the screw side, as you can see, is gonna stay on top, and I'm gonna tight individually all of the screws to make sure that there is no gap, there is no possibility for losing one band while I'm fishing. So it's very important, time to time, maybe give it a little bit of a tight. I always recommend to rinse all of your gears. Do not tie too hard, because you don't want to rip the socket of your screw. And you know, to preserve titanium parts will not rust at all. But it's always good to give a little bit of a WD-40 maybe time to time, especially if you're not using the gun for a long time. I always like to check all my lines that are perfectly in line, and then I secure my bands. Ready to go fishing. Well guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching it. And as always guys, help us to grow by subscribing our channel, and enjoy it. Cheers!